Yo, what is up, world? Mighty Beeves here. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. It is really good to see you guys. I feel like it's been a while since I've sat in this chair and talked to you. So hello, happy Wednesday, Thursday, Monday, Tuesday, whatever day in the world it is, wherever you are in the world it is that you're watching this. It's good to see you guys. So this week's vlog, I didn't really do much vlogging, to be honest, and surprise, surprise. But I do have some footage of my brother switching out his exhaust from his brand new motorcycle, his Harley Davidson Sportster 1200. It's really awesome. It's blacked out. He's done a lot of work to it, or a good amount of work to the bike since he's recently got it. So I would like to share some time lapse of him switching out those exhausts and then hearing the difference between the before and the after. So before we get into that and whatever else I got planned for this week's vlog, you know what to do. Roll the intro and I'll see you soon.
I'll play to catch it, baby, just slide on me. Only time you lie is when you lie on me. Be my forever, baby, come ride my wave. Hop in new, baby, and slide my way. I play to catch it, baby, just slide on me. Only time you lie is when you lie on me. Be my forever, baby, come ride my way. Get you in the bed, we don't do much talking. Come to think about it, don't do much off. Make sure that your paper straight, no pay cuts. Take care of my baby like a daycare. Hop in new, baby, and slide my way. I'll play to catch it, baby, just slide on me. Only time you lie is when you lie on me. Be my forever, baby, come ride my way. Hop in new, baby, and slide my way. I play to catch it, baby, just slide on me. Only time you lie is when you lie on me. Be my forever, baby, come ride my way. Throw it like a cyclone. Said she wanna play around with the lights on. Said she wanna play around with my ice on. Lord, when she get to buying like a python. Hop in new, baby, and slide my way. I play to catch it, baby, just slide on me. Only time you lie is when you lie on me. Be my forever, baby, come ride my wave. Hop in new, baby, and slide my way. I play to catch it, baby, just slide on. When you lie on me. Be my forever, baby, come ride my wave.
So what did you think? Did you like the before sound of the motorcycle or the after sound of the motorcycle? Now, for those of you who are like myself, an unexperienced, not knowing how to ride a motorcycle human being, you may think that bikes and the sounds that bikes make are annoying, and that could be very true, which most of the time probably is annoying, but try to think of it from the perspective of someone who rides the bikes and wants to make sure that they can be heard when they are riding next to vehicles, because most of the time, most of us are probably not paying attention enough to the road. So as someone who rides a motorcycle, it is very helpful to have an incredibly loud motorcycle, which is why the motorcycles are loud. If you ever wondered why those things are so loud and obnoxious and annoying, it's because they want to be heard and they need to be heard when they are on the road. So the next time you hear a motorcycle, just remember that it is important that that motorcycle is loud, because if it wasn't, who knows, there may be an accident, you may not hear it, and it may be too late by the time you recognize that there is a bike or a motorcycle right next to you. So aside from all of that, I've been really busy working on side projects for a couple of colleges that I live next to, and it's been a lot of fun. I've had an incredible time working with these colleges. I've had a lot of fun working with my friend Enrique on the shoots. It's been really cool to be able to have a friend who also loves film and who is a really wonderful filmmaker and a cinematographer as well. 今何時ですか？
今は12時です。
12時 10?
12
Oh,
12時12
12. Oh, so.
6月2日です。
2日. Why does that sound so familiar?
6月2日です。Which is June 2nd.
June 2nd?
Right, 2日?
Yeah. Alright, let's do it. I think that's our challenge. So if you are interested to learn a little bit more about what exactly I am doing, stay tuned for that. Let me know in the comments. I will probably make a video about it when I'm done editing all of the videos, but it's been a lot of fun and it's been a pleasure to work with some of the colleges that are around me to be able to promote them and open up exposure for those colleges. Again, if you're excited for that, let me know in the comments. I would love to talk about the entire process from the beginning and all the way to the end. So if you enjoyed this week's vlog, you know what to do. Go ahead and do a super jump on the like button down below and also get subscribed to the YouTube channel because every single Wednesday is a brand new vlog. I'm Matty B's cinematographer / student, and I'll see you guys in 7 days. Fight on. Alright, I reckon that's about all that I want. I wonder if people like the lighting for this week, that I get a little funky with it. Anywho, time to edit. Okay. Oh wait, I gotta cut on the audio first.
Hey, yeah.